Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're making a taco bowl. Today we're chopping fresh parsley. Use a sharp knife and rock it back and forth. This gives you an even chop for your recipes. And it's ready to chop these tomatoes. Keep your fingers curled back for safe, steady, rocking motion. And there we have it. Perfect. Let's chop this vegetable. Keep your fingers curled back. A nice even dice. This is perfect for cooking. My taco bowl. Now, watch these next few steps carefully. You want to gently mix all these ingredients together, just like. And for the grand finale, we finish it off with a generous drizzle of warm, gooey cheese sauce. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? And that's how you make my favorite taco bowl. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. That is so good. Great meals are made one step at a time. Keep believing in yourself, keep creating, and let every recipe remind you that consistency turns ordinary moments into something extraordinary. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell below to be the first to see the next video. I'm making a quick, delicious treat after dinner. For toppings, we have these delicious Granny Smith cookies and some festive candy sprinkles. Let's make a chocolate chip cookie ice cream sundae. We'll start with vanilla ice cream. Now, let's add some cookie chunks and finish with some rainbow sprinkles. And there you have it. Your fabulous 3-ingredient dessert is ready to enjoy. It's so easy. You just need ice cream, chocolate chip candy pieces, and colorful sprinkles. A timeless, effortless treat. Hi everyone, after dinner and dessert, I'm making my favorite cocktail. First, 2 ounces of Cazadores Reposado, then top it off with Everfresh apple juice. Now, shake it up!